Writing in English. Writing in English is an essential skill that plays a significant role in communication, education, and professional settings. Whether for academic purposes, business communication, or personal expression, mastering English writing allows individuals to convey their thoughts clearly and effectively. Writing is not merely about putting words together, but about organizing ideas, maintaining coherence, and ensuring clarity. To become a proficient English writer, one must focus on grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and writing style. One of the fundamental aspects of writing in English is grammar. Proper grammar ensures that sentences are structured correctly and meaningfully. Mistakes in grammar, such as subject-verb agreement errors or incorrect tense usage, can make writing confusing and unclear. Understanding the basic rules of grammar, including punctuation and sentence formation, helps writers create coherent and professional content. Additionally, proofreading and editing are crucial steps in refining written work, as they help identify and correct grammatical errors. Vocabulary is another critical component of English writing. A rich vocabulary allows writers to express their ideas precisely and effectively. Using a variety of words enhances the readability of a text and prevents redundancy. However, it is also essential to use words appropriately and in the right context. Synonyms and idiomatic expressions can make writing more engaging, but overcomplicating sentences with difficult words may confuse the reader. Writers should aim for clarity and simplicity while maintaining a formal or appropriate tone, depending on the context. Sentence structure plays a vital role in making writing clear and engaging. Sentences should be well-formed and logically connected to create a smooth flow of ideas. Writers should use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences to maintain variety and avoid monotony. Additionally, transitions between sentences and paragraphs help guide the reader through the text. Proper paragraphing ensures that each paragraph focuses on a single idea, making the writing more organized and easier to understand. Another key element of effective English writing is maintaining coherence and unity. Coherence refers to the logical flow of ideas, while unity ensures that all sentences in a paragraph relate to a central theme. Writers can achieve coherence by using transition words like however, therefore, and in addition to connect their thoughts. Unity is achieved when each paragraph discusses only one main point, preventing the text from becoming disorganized or difficult to follow. Different types of English writing require different approaches. For example, academic writing demands a formal tone, evidence-based arguments, and a clear thesis statement. Business writing, on the other hand, focuses on conciseness, professionalism, and clarity. Creative writing, such as storytelling or poetry, allows for more flexibility and artistic expression. Understanding the purpose of a piece of writing helps writers choose the appropriate style and structure. In addition to technical skills, developing a habit of reading and writing regularly improves writing proficiency. Reading a variety of texts, such as books, articles, and essays, exposes writers to different writing styles, vocabulary, and sentence structures. Writing practice, whether through journaling, essay writing, or blogging, helps build confidence and fluency. Feedback from teachers, peers, or editors is also valuable for identifying areas of improvement. Technology has made writing in English more accessible and efficient. Various online tools, such as grammar checkers and thesauruses, assist writers in refining their work. Spell-checking software helps eliminate typos, while writing assistants provide suggestions for improving clarity and coherence. Despite these technological advancements, it is still important for writers to develop their own critical thinking and language skills rather than relying solely on automated tools. In conclusion, writing in English is a valuable skill that requires practice, attention to grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and coherence. Whether for academic, business, or creative purposes, effective writing helps individuals communicate their ideas clearly and persuasively. By reading regularly, practicing consistently, and utilizing available resources, writers can enhance their proficiency and confidence in English writing.